Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to GitHub over SSH on Windows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Windows command prompt or PowerShell. Check if you already have SSH installed by typing SSH and pressing enter. If SSH is not installed, you can download Git for Windows from git-scm.com. Run the installer and follow the default installation prompts. Once installed, open a new command prompt or PowerShell window. Generate a new SSH key by typing SSH keygen TRSAB4096C your email at example.com. Replace your email at example.com with the email address associated with your GitHub account. Press enter to accept the default file location for the key. Enter a passphrase when prompted, or press enter for no passphrase. Your SSH key pair will be created in the specified directory. Next, add the SSH key to your SSH agent. Start the SSH agent by running eval $SSH agent s in git bash. Add your SSH private key by typing /add /.ssh/id_rsa. Now, copy your SSH public key to the clipboard. You can do this by executing clip /.ssh/id_rsa.pub. Log into your GitHub account and navigate to the settings. In the settings, find SSH and GPG keys on the left sidebar. Click on New SSH Key to add a new key. In the title field, enter a descriptive name for your device. Paste the SSH key from your clipboard into the key field. Click Add SSH Key to save your changes. To confirm that your SSH setup is successful, run ssh-git at github.com. You should see a message confirming successful authentication. Your GitHub account is now accessible over SSH on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.